Hi there, I am Eric Salgado, CEO and founder of Builderall.com, and welcome to the 5 Minutes with the CEO. The idea is to give you in 5 minutes or less a view of what's happening with Builderall right now, the digital marketing industry, and a little bit of mindset. First, let's talk about the new tools you may not know about yet. Number 1, all bugs are fixed since last year. Number 2, we have zero complaints on smartphone performance with Cheetah Site Builder. Number 3, Rotation Banner app, an app you can create amazing stuff with, including trading areas. Number 4, Accordion app, 100% customizable. Number 5, new membership layouts, really high-end design. Number 6, membership area integrated with the Super Checkout. Number 7, header, footer, and pop-up technology to save you time and give you a professional look to your websites and pages. Number 8, restaurant menu panels. Number 9, niche funnel showcase with funnel access, Facebook ad suggestions, and images. Number 10, full screen pop-up. Number 11, speed and performance is still the best you can find. Now let's talk a little bit about the company. 7 years ago, I had a vision that everybody told me that it would never sell, it would never be possible, it would never work. But now everyone is following me, or at least they are trying to follow. What we are doing is to give you a truly all-in-one platform with extremely good quality and an affordable price for small business and entrepreneurs. After 3 years, we found that people actually resonate with our idea and our mission. And Builderall became a community about love and entrepreneurship. And the product became all about quality and freedom to create anything you may need to succeed online. And by the way, our mission is to have one entrepreneur in every home. We believe that entrepreneurship is the best way for self-fulfillment in a better world. This is our goal, and this is the reason that we exist. About the future of this industry. During this lockdown, the world finally woke up for the importance of the internet, and we are ready for it with the most complete digital marketing and online business platform ever built. We have everything businesses may need, and we are focusing a lot on quality and training right now. On this new world, you gotta be online or you won't be anywhere. And to finish this video, let's talk a little bit about mindset. Now listen, the wrong bait doesn't catch the right fish. You may have what your lead needs, but you need to offer what they want. If your customers are sick and they need a shot, you will never bring the customer to your business promoting the shot. You will bring your customer to your business promoting the solution, for example, the end of the sickness. Nobody wants to take a shot itself, but everybody wants to feel healthy. In order to drive your clients to your sales page or to your email list, you need to use the right bait. Don't be afraid of making a huge promise. Don't be afraid of selling the best result ever. As long as you believe on your product and you know you can deliver, go for it. When it comes about your opt-in page, it's all or nothing. Don't be afraid of giving everything you have on your opt-in. This is going to make a huge difference on your business and your results. But remember, always be honest and take care of your reputation. Your online reputation is your most valuable asset. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you inside Builderall.